What's guys everybody, and welcome back to the second video of my this Python mastery tutorial. So today in this video we are gonna cover some few topics like numbers in Python, numbers and math, operations and input statement. Okay, and I will also tell you how to convert our numbers into like something like integers or strings. Like sometimes if we use input statements, so the value comes as a string. So in the last video I showed you that a string with numbers and a normal number, they both are different. So today we are gonna do integers and floats. So let's start. So as always, I'm gonna open my Visual Studio Code. Till the time it gets open, I'm gonna go in my this documents and make a new folder. Just a second. Yeah, so I will go inside this and create my new folder and name it I named my last video Python tutorials introduction. So today I will write numbers and math. I'm gonna just open the Visual Studio Code and get the finder and drag and drop this file inside it and make a new file named app.py. So I'm gonna write. Now I will tell you integers. In last video we covered strings. What are strings? The list of characters. In last video I gave you exercise. If you have done it, so it's so good. Or I will tell you about strings one more time. See, these are strings. Anything right inside this will be a string, and strings are list of characters. Okay. So today we will talk about integers. This is an integer and this is a string. C. I put a space. C. This thing is different from this one. Means that this one is different from that one with string, because they both are different. It's a string and it's an integer. Now I will tell you what's integer. Integers are numbers. Like if they are a list of characters, they are numbers. So if I make a variable named v is equal to 1 and print this, print v. So I will run it. We got 1. Okay. So now after integers there are float. I'm gonna make one more variable named b, and this is a float 1.0. okay, this is different and this is different. Okay, so now we will do operations on these floats and integers. Like now, if I make this 1 and print v plus b. Now let's see what comes. We got 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, we can do like we can do multiply in coding the like in computer language. The sign for multiply is this asterisk. So if I run this, we get 1, and if I add this slash, the slash means division. I will run this, I got 1/0. I can put double slash also. Let's run it. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you about input, but again now I will tell you the types of, I told the integer and float. Now let's I will tell the computer to tell the type of the variable. Now if we want to check the type, so I will delete this, add parentheses, write type, one more time parentheses, and write v. Now this will give us the type of v. So let's run the program. So the class is integer. Now told this. Now I will convert b into 1.0. Now I will write b and run this float. So now it will tell us the type of b. So let's run it. It gives us float. Okay. So I wrote Viraj. Now I'm gonna enter. So it gave us, so your name is Viraj. So that was for today's video. I hope you liked my video. Share it with others and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.